Oh, okay. Okay, hi, we're back again. Me and Jupiter again. Yes, this book again. And we're again reading Grime and Punishment. Chapter 12, The Ultimate Showdown. Let's start. I don't know if I can do this, kid. Of course you can. It's your story, Papa. You can color it any way you want. Me got your friends, PT. Technically, they're not really my friends. Oh, so you won't mind if me does this? Oh no, let's roll, Flippy. Grandpa. Ha 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 ha. I can't do it, kid. I can't love the way you love. Papa, you don't have to slide. Just let go of your head. Yay! PT back for more punishment. Dad, what? I'm done. Done what? I'm done hating you. Oh, ain't you sweet? So what you gonna do now? Love me? No, I'm gonna forgive you. Forgive me? Forgive me for what? I never did anything to you. I wasn't even there. You don't get to forgive me. Where do you think you're going? I gotta put this kid into the bed. We're not done here. Actually, I think we are. Hey, get back here. Good night, Grandpa. Good night, everybody. So I'll play again tomorrow. Bye, Wally. Chapter 13, 3 endings. It's not coming soon. Read it yourself. Go and get the Grime and Punishment book on online, or you can even get the whole series.